Subscribe my channel, Fort Kids TV.
Hello kids, today, we're diving into the world of amazing animals with backbones. From birds to fish, reptiles to mammals, vertebrates come in all shapes and sizes. Let's explore the wonders of vertebrates together.
Animals that possess a backbone are called vertebrates. The majority have hollow backbone and cranium, skull. Vertebrates can be classified into 5 main groups: mammals, reptiles, birds, fish, and amphibians. Vertebrate animals that have feathers, wings, and warm-blooded metabolisms are known as birds. Aquatic vertebrate animals that have gills are known as fish. Reptiles are a type of cold-blooded animal characterized by their scaly skin and leathery eggs. Their skin is covered scales or bony plates. Amphibians are cold-blooded creatures that are identified by their moist, scale-less skin. They are typically found in hot, humid regions such as tropical areas. Mammals are warm-blooded animals that possess hair or fur and mammary glands capable of producing milk. They are considered one of the most intelligent of all living beings.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.